In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create distribution list in Outlook. If you send the same message to the same group of people over and over, a distribution list, also called a contact group, saves time by letting you address just one name instead of dozens. By the end, you'll have a reusable group you can email in a single click. Start by opening Outlook on your computer and giving it a moment to load. Next, switch to the people view. Look for the people icon. It usually appears along the left sidebar or at the bottom left of the window, and it looks like two small silhouettes. If you don't see it right away, expand the navigation pane or select the people option from the app switcher. With people open, go to the home ribbon at the top and choose new contact group. In some versions this may be labeled new contact list, but it's the same thing. A new window will open with fields to build your list. In the name field, type a clear descriptive name for your group. Think about how you'll find it later when addressing an email. Short and specific works best. Include the team, project or purpose. Avoid special characters that can make searching harder. Remember, whatever you type here is exactly what you'll enter in the to line when you send mail to this group. Now click add members. You'll see options to pull people from your Outlook contacts, from your organization's address book, or to add a new email contact. Use the address book if the members are part of your company directory. Use Outlook contacts for people you've already saved. If someone isn't listed anywhere, choose new email contact and type their display name and email address. Select members for your group. You can search by name, email or department, and you can select multiple entries at once. Take a moment to verify addresses and avoid duplicates. If you're mixing internal and external contacts, that's fine. Just ensure each entry has the correct up-to-date email. When your list looks good, click Save and Close. That locks in the group and places it in your contacts. From now on, when composing a new email, start typing the group name in the To field and select it from the suggestions. Outlook will expand it to everyone on the list when the message is sent. If you need to make changes later, return to People, open the group, and add or remove members, then save again. If you don't see new contact group, make sure you're in the people view and using the desktop version of Outlook, as labels can vary slightly by version, and that's it, your distribution list is ready to go.